passing by. There you go, cruising.
Many new riders dream of big, powerful motorcycles. They imagine themselves cruising down the open highway on a heavyweight machine. However, smaller CC motorcycles often get overlooked. People don't realize these bikes offer a unique and rewarding riding experience. Don't be fooled by their size. These little guys pack a punch when it comes to fun, affordability, and practicality. Smaller CC motorcycles, typically those with engines under 500 cc, might not have the intimidating presence of their larger counterparts, but they hold their own in several key areas. They are nimble, fuel efficient, and easy to handle, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. These bikes are less intimidating for new riders, still getting comfortable with handling and maneuvering. They are also more forgiving, allowing for quicker learning curves and boosting confidence on the road. So, before you dismiss these smaller wonders, let's dive deeper into what makes them rule the road. One of the most significant advantages of smaller CC motorcycles lies in their handling and maneuverability. The lighter weight and compact size of these bikes make them incredibly agile, especially in urban environments. Zipping through traffic becomes a breeze as you effortlessly navigate tight spaces and weave through congested streets. Parking is a joy, not a chore, as you slot into those hard-to-reach spots that larger bikes could only dream of. But don't think for a second that this agility comes at the expense of stability. Smaller CC motorcycles are surprisingly stable and sure-footed even at higher speeds. Their lower center of gravity contributes to their planted feel, inspiring confidence in corners and on the open road. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting, you'll appreciate the responsiveness and nimbleness these bikes offer. In an era of rising fuel costs, smaller CC motorcycles shine as champions of fuel efficiency. Their smaller engines sip fuel, allowing you to go further on a single tank. This translates to significant savings at the pump, putting more money back in your pocket for those epic rides and adventures. But the cost benefits don't end there. Smaller CC motorcycles are generally more affordable to purchase upfront compared to their larger counterparts. This makes them an excellent option for budget-conscious riders who don't want to break the bank. Insurance premiums are also typically lower for smaller CC bikes, adding to the overall affordability factor. So, not only will you save money on fuel, but you'll also enjoy lower upfront costs and insurance rates, making riding more accessible than ever. If you're a city dweller, smaller CC motorcycles are your ultimate urban companions. These bikes are tailor-made for navigating the concrete jungle, effortlessly tackling traffic, tight spaces, and crowded streets. Their compact size allows you to filter through traffic with ease, saving you precious time during rush hour commutes. Parking is a breeze. Forget circling the block, searching for that elusive spot. Smaller CC bikes can squeeze into those tight spaces that larger vehicles can only dream of. The fuel efficiency of these urban warriors adds to their appeal, allowing you to zip around town without constantly worrying about refueling. They are the undisputed kings and queens of urban mobility, making city riding a joy rather than a chore. Section 5. Maintenance made easy. A boon for your wallet and your time. Maintaining a motorcycle shouldn't feel like a second job. One of the often overlooked advantages of smaller cc motorcycles is their ease of maintenance. With fewer parts and a simpler design, these bikes are generally less complex to work on, making routine maintenance a more manageable task. Oil changes, chain cleanings, and other essential upkeep can often be done with basic tools and a little mechanical know-how. Of course, if you're not comfortable getting your hands dirty, taking your bike to a mechanic won't break the bank either. Smaller cc motorcycles tend to have lower labor costs for repairs and servicing, saving you money in the long run. This ease of maintenance makes them an excellent choice for both seasoned mechanics and those new to the world of motorcycle upkeep. Section 6. Real riders, real stories, testimonials from the saddle. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from the riders themselves. Countless motorcycle enthusiasts have discovered the joys and advantages of smaller cc bikes. From seasoned riders rediscovering the simplicity and fun of riding to beginners gaining confidence on these forgiving machines, the testimonials speak for themselves. Many experienced riders find themselves gravitating towards smaller cc bikes for their agility and fun factor. Beginners appreciate the forgiving nature and ease of handling as they hone their riding skills. These real-world stories highlight the versatility and appeal of smaller cc motorcycles, proving that they are more than capable of delivering an exceptional riding experience. Section 7. The thrill of learning. Building confidence, one ride at a time. For new riders, the learning curve can feel daunting. Smaller cc motorcycles offer a more approachable and less intimidating way to master the fundamentals of riding. Their lighter weight and forgiving nature allow beginners to develop their skills at their own pace, building confidence with every ride. The manageable power delivery ensures a smoother and more controlled learning experience, reducing the risk of feeling overwhelmed. As riders progress, they can gradually step up to larger bikes, carrying the skills and confidence gained from their smaller cc companions. These bikes serve as excellent stepping stones in the world of motorcycling, making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Section 8. Accessibility for all, opening doors to the joy of riding. One of the most commendable aspects of smaller cc motorcycles is their ability to make riding accessible to a wider range of people. Their affordability, both in terms of purchase price and running costs, opens doors for those who might have previously thought that motorcycling was financially out of reach. Their ease of handling and forgiving nature make them ideal for riders of all ages, sizes, and experience levels. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a fun and practical machine, or a newcomer eager to embark on your two-wheeled journey, smaller cc motorcycles offer a welcoming and inclusive entry point into this exciting world. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the small cc revolution. In a world often obsessed with bigger is better, smaller cc motorcycles prove that power and enjoyment come in all sizes. These nimble, efficient, and affordable machines offer a unique and rewarding riding experience. Don't be fooled by their size. These bikes are packed with personality and punch. From navigating city streets to carving up winding roads, smaller CC motorcycles are ready to tackle any adventure you throw at them. So, embrace the small CC revolution and discover a world of riding enjoyment that's big on fun, affordability, and pure riding joy. You might be surprised at just how much you love riding a smaller motorcycle.